And my girls. My sunshine.
Let's go.
Go. Go.
What? Wait.
You're up.
No, you gotta be next to me.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on.
Okay. What was my rap about?
Miss Homer.
Silver?
Miss Homer.
Oh yeah. Okay. So. Alright. So. So y'all know. Yeah. What was
Yeah,
it?
fire.
What was it? Yeah. Okay. So y'all know about the new principal.
Louder.
Shaboya Middle, right? But we go clubbing together. But what was it? We go clubbing together, you know. But I buy her a drink or two. The thing is, she stinks like hell, you know. She stinks like a small Tinkerbell. She stinks like a small Tinkerbell. You heard me, boy? You flap your hands in the air. Oh, wave your hands. What was it? Throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. The big bing right here, it's the OP right here. Somebody say, oh yeah. We need a club banger. Oh yeah. If you want MVP, come be with me. The rest is in Korean.
Dude, hardcore.
I'm hella hardcore.
What was that other rap?
So you go. What was it? Well, you done that one?
Yeah. I can't listen.
Alright, honey. What honey? Sorry, I said honey and that sounds really nasty.
Louder.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to get an A, but I just couldn't get it. I reckon it's my own crack problem. But I won't hesitate no more, it cannot wait. I want Miss Moore. Scream out. It cannot wait. I want Miss Moore. Every day I see your fat jiggling. You know I see some. What song am I singing? I see that shit and I want it. You know your tit is carries so much shit. We all wanna eat shit. Oh shit, it's a Hannah Montana song. Sorry. I'm sorry, viewers. Everybody makes mistakes. Everyone forgets their condom. Let me start over. Everybody has their ticks. Everybody has their sticks.
I'm doing get pissed.
Don't piss yet. Honey, hold it in. Don't precipitate yet. Oh, somebody aimed you.
What the fuck's that?
I can't read it. I need my glasses.
I'm not gonna read it either.
Okay, see. Well, let me see.
Okay.
X. Cludos. X. Mikalots.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Here.
Who that?
Keep rapping. Chicago. Hey, long time. What's up?
No, fool.
Okay, never mind. I don't want to talk to you.
Well. Nobody's perfect. Everybody has their sticks. Everyone has their dicks. What?
That's a Hannah Montana CD. I found it.
No thanks. No, fool. No, please, no. Everybody has their sticks.
Shit,
Everybody has their dicks. 1, 2, 3, 5. What happens to the 4? It's like I swallowed the 4.
Oh shit.
Everybody makes mistakes. Everyone pisses their panties. Everyone pisses their panties. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone pisses their panties. But it's okay. What was it? Well, Miss Bauer done me. You bet I felt it. Her Indian dick was no match on my vajayjay. Michael, you're watching this. you're watching this, auntie.
Tita?
Auntie.
Tita?
Auntie, if you're watching, oh
Tita.
look at me grab my own face. No, wait, no, it's this is what I suck at, like mirroring. Wait, no, go a little bit further, a little bit further. Watch me grab my face. Squeeze the nose, squeeze the nose, squeeze the nose. Let me grab your face. Okay. Where is it? Let me tip your sobe, and then let me stick my. I want some.
No.
Wow, that's all it means.
Get a glass. I'm trying karaoke.
I see your face watching me.
What are you singing?
I don't know.
Sing Obsessed or something.
Why you so obsessed with me when everybody knows it's clear you got fungus on your toes? Toes. It's clear you got hair in your nose. Why you gotta mess with my toes? They're innocent animals. Don't touch them.
Froggy.
Froggy, froggy. Is this recording?
Yeah.
Part 1. Wait, my finger is not visible. Part 1. Ilocano.
Hey, Ilocano.